Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Tate County in northwestern Mississippi, northern Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, Fayette County in West Tennessee, Hardeman County in West Tennessee, northwestern McNairy County in West Tennessee, southern Haywood County in West Tennessee, southern Madison County in West Tennessee, Shelby County in West Tennessee, Chester County in West Tennessee, until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of LaGrange, or 17 miles east of Collierville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ghost River State Natural Area, Neely, Brody, Yum Yum, Selmer, Southwest Memphis, Stanton, Horn Lake, Massaville, Belmont, Madison Hall, Bright, Uptonville, Tullahoma, Sillerton, Kirk, Rossville, Arlington, Kenton Mount State Archaeological Park, and Rogers Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern and northwestern Mississippi.